Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn With Me. In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5.2 positive psychology for AP Psych. So this is going to be a video about the second CED question of this section of Unit 5. Before we get started, as always, I really like to thank everybody who's already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button for me. And if you can hit the like and comment and do all the things that you guys know what to do to make these YouTube videos popular. I'm still learning, but yeah, you guys know how to do this. So if you can help me get those numbers up, I really appreciate it. Okay, let's get started. On this side, you can see all the key terms that you're going to need to know for 5.2 positive psychology. There is a separate video with all of these words explained, definition, example, everything you need to know so that you can apply that to your test day. So MCQs, FRQs, you have to know, you have to be able to define these things so that you can apply the words. So very important. As I always say, the key to the 5 are the key terms. So I'm going to explain the second CED question for 5.2, which is explain how positive subjective experiences apply to behavior and mental processes. I'm going to go through all the essential knowledge that you need to be able to answer this question. So we're going to start by talking about the power of gratitude and how it boosts subjective well-being, or simply put, how feeling grateful can make life better. Gratitude isn't just about saying thank you. It actually has a powerful impact on mental processes and overall happiness. Here's how. Studies show that gratitude can increase positive emotions, enhance life satisfaction, and reduce depressive symptoms. When we focus on what we're grateful for, our brain shifts attention from stress to appreciation, helping us feel more content. So it increases positive emotions. It helps us feel happier and more optimistic. It enhances life satisfaction. It encourages us to focus on what's going well, and it reduces depressive symptoms. It can help lower stress and anxiety over time. So one simple way to practice gratitude is by keeping a gratitude journal, writing down things we're thankful for. That helps regulate our emotions and strengthen our social relationships. For example, someone who writes down 3 things they're grateful for every day is more likely to feel happier and more connected to others. So practicing gratitude every day rewires our brain for positivity, making us more resilient and improving our emotional well-being. So in positive psychology, it's important to talk about the power of character strengths and virtues. This is really the mainframe of positive psychology and how they shape who we are and impact our happiness. So let's explore how exercising our signature strengths can lead to a more meaningful life. In positive psychology, strengths are organized into 6 core virtues, each representing different qualities that help us thrive. Let's break those down. So the first one is wisdom. That's creativity, curiosity, and love of learning that helps us grow intellectually. The next one is courage, bravery, persistence, and integrity. This gives us confidence to face challenges. Humanity, it's kindness, love, and social intelligence, which strengthens relationships. Justice, that's fairness, teamwork, and leadership, which fosters a sense of community. Temperance, that's forgiveness, humility, and prudence, which helps regulate our emotions. And last, transcendence, that's gratitude, hope, and spirituality, which gives life deeper meaning. So when we use these strengths in our daily life, we cultivate personal growth, well-being, and fulfillment. Studies show that people who align their activities with their strengths experience higher levels of happiness and life satisfaction. So when we do that, what we're naturally good at and value most, we feel more engaged and fulfilled. So for example, someone high in kindness may find deep fulfillment through volunteering and helping others. Or a person who values wisdom might enjoy learning new skills and sharing knowledge with others. And so by recognizing and using our strengths, we enhance our lives and contribute positively to those around us. And now you're going to find on the internet, you can find these quizzes that will help you find your strengths, your positive virtue strengths. And it's really, really interesting to do this. I mean, I remember doing this with my class way back, and it was really cool to see what our strengths were and how we can really use those to make ourselves happier and more fulfilled. So we've been talking a lot about the positive strengths and virtues of positive psychology, but it's also important to explore a powerful concept in positive psychology called post-traumatic growth. This idea shows us how people can emerge stronger and more resilient after experiencing trauma or stress. Post-traumatic growth, also known as PTG, refers to positive psychological changes that happen after someone experiences significant trauma or stress. So instead of just recovering, people often experience personal transformation, finding new meaning and strength. So Trauma challenges us, but it can also reshape our perspectives on life. Many people find that difficult experiences lead to reevaluating life priorities, maybe focusing more on what truly matters, stronger relationships, deepening bonds with friends and family, or just having a greater appreciation of life, feeling more gratitude and purpose. PTG doesn't mean trauma is easy. It means that growth is possible, even in difficult times. Let's look at some examples. Imagine someone who survives a serious illness, and instead of returning to old habits, they might think, develop a stronger sense of purpose and maybe set new goals. Or maybe they'll take a more proactive step towards health, like exercising and eating well. And maybe they'll strengthen their relationships and express more gratitude for the ones they love. And that kind of growth helps people move forward with resilience and a new outlook on life. So just do a little summary here of 5.2 positive psychology and what you kind of need to know for the exam. So you need to understand how gratitude and post-traumatic growth improve resilience. You need to be able to explain how virtues guide behavior and contribute to psychological health. And you also need to be able to recognize how trauma can lead to positive transformations, not just negative effects. Okay, so that was CED question number 2. That was explain how positive subjective experiences apply to behavior and mental processes. And this is what the College Board needs you to know for the exam. So hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button for me. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much for listening. See you next time.